maybe you could walk us, please, from kind of step one to step finals. How do we start? Like, do we go to the website and we sign up, then we start a campaign, then we input that like brief of what we want to see, upload an image, or like
Yeah, I mean, I can show you later on, but JoinBrands is a super simple platform. You sign up,
Mhm,
you basically add your company information, your product, your link to your Amazon store, your
mhm,
Shopify store, your TikTok shop, right? And then that's where people can go buy the product to get so they can go do the work. On our platform, we have two ways to deliver the product to customers. It's either by them purchasing it, which we recommend because it gives them some skin in the game and they get the job done to get their reimbursement. Or, you can ship it to them. So you can deliver, it will give you their address and you can ship it straight to that creator. Then the creators have a time frame to get the content done.
mhm.
So, they deliver pretty quickly. And then within, a matter of days, you can have your videos or images back. Whether it's like somebody holding a product and doing a selfie image, or it's somebody, doing a whole video or a script, that all is possible on Join Brands. And it literally takes as little as 5 minutes to get set up, and it's free to sign up. So there is no reason not to check it out and see what we have to offer because we do have a lot of different job types. To give you an example, we have UGC jobs and influencer jobs for Amazon influencers. So you can tap into people who are already approved Amazon influencers that can tag your product on Amazon and get that video loaded up to the Amazon platform and have it be shown in your video stack. We have TikTok influencers. We have TikTok shop people. We have Instagram, YouTube Shorts, YouTube, and some creators are approved for all of them. With our platform, every creator has to go through a certification for each job type that they want to do. So, just if you want to do like images, you can get a selfie image for $15. If you just want UGC that you can use for your own purposes, it's about $60 for one video. And then you can also do, TikToks or influence campaigns where basically it's the content plus the posting. The influencer, the creator is going to post it to their social network. Let's be like if your wife or your girlfriend posted it to her page, right? You're going to get her audience seeing your thing. And that's what's really powerful about it is like the authentic audiences generally drive more awareness and engagement. And if somebody that like if your girlfriend or wife is posting, something, then it's more likely that her friends are going to trust that versus some giant influencer, which is more for brand awareness and whatnot. So we have a few different campaign types, even recurring campaigns where you can hire a creator on autopilot. We just launched TikTok Live, so you can hire creators by the minute to go live for you on TikTok. So there's a lot of cool stuff, and I can show you kind of like those options. But it's a really simple platform. Think of it like I said, like Upwork, right? You just create a campaign within a matter of seconds, you're up and running.